So mukufamba, I come across a lot of people that just say BP yangu yakakwira, or maybe ndanzwa musoro wangu kutema. I'm suspecting kuti BP yangu yakakwira. But most of the times these people, they have no idea kuti BP chimbori chii. So today, this video I want to explain kuti chii chinombodzi BP, which just means blood pressure. So to start off, BP just means blood pressure. And blood pressure is just the pressure inenge ine ropa parinenge richifamba mutsinga dzeropa mumwiri mako. Saka BP inozoita problem kana zvaita sei. BP inoita problem kana ya high blood pressure. High blood pressure in English kana kuti in medical term inonzi hypertension. So hypertension is high blood pressure. Saka how do we define high blood pressure? Well, kana wakambenda clinic or pharmacy or kana waine mushini wako pamba wekutora blood pressure, you know that every time paunotora blood pressure panobuda two readings. There is one number inenge iri pamusoro poita number inenge iri pasi. So the number inenge iri pamusoro inonzi systolic blood pressure, then the number inenge iri pasi inonzi diastolic blood pressure. Systolic blood pressure inogadzirwa pano contract heart yako. Hana yako painorova ndo panobuda systolic blood pressure. Hana yako paino relaxa ndo panogadzirwa diastolic blood pressure. Saka both of these readings, they are so important. If any one of them is elevated, inonzi hypertension. If any number of the two iri elevated, inenge chinzi isolated hypertension, which can be either isolated systolic or isolated diastolic hypertension. But either way, yes, inenge ngori hypertension kana kuti BP as we know it. Saka ma readings nde api yekuti tinenge takuti munhu ane BP kana kuti munhu ane hypertension. So to start off, you should know kuti normal blood pressure should be less than 120/80. Number yepamusoro inofanira kunge iri 120 and below, number yepasi inofanira kunge iri 80 and below. Then kuti izoti munhu ane hypertension, number yepamusoro inenge ya 140 and above, number yepasi inenge ya 90 and above. So you see kuti pane ma differences. Like I said, kuti normal blood pressure is less than 120/80, but hypertension is now more than 140/90. Kana uri between the two numbers that ndataura inenge chinzi pre-hypertension. But with modifications like exercise or diet, unokwanisa kudzikisa blood pressure yako kuti ite come back to normal without necessarily using drugs. But then most of the times kana yangu above 140/90, the thing that works with that hypertension nengo kutonga na drugs. But of course, even finding my drugs, you still have to do your diet, you still have to control your exercise and your lifestyle. So these things, they go hand in hand. So this is what hypertension is, kana kuti BP. So if you have enjoyed this video, just keep on watching our videos. We are going to make more videos in the future explaining things to do with hypertension. Our next video, we are going to explain why hypertension is the silent killer, because most of the times you never feel kuti BP yako yakwira. When you now start having symptoms, kana tukatanga kunzwa kuti wakurwara because of hypertension, anenge atoma complications. But normally you won't feel anything kana blood pressure yako yakakwira. So that's the video we are going to make next time. So just tune in and see us. Thank you.